Hello guys, welcome to another weekly prep. My name is Sarah. I am the mom to 3 daughters, ages 6, 3.5, and 8 months old, wife to a very busy chef, and I am a former daycare provider turned online entrepreneur. I started this business when I was still working 50+ hours a week, but now that is my sole focus, and I do watch a little boy a few days a week, and I'm gearing up to homeschool in the fall, so I like to share our weekends with you guys. Most weekends, I know you guys seem to really like watching and seeing how we balance fun and function on the weekends and create balance that sticks for our family. Often they are motivational, real, relatable, sometimes funny, sometimes raw, just depends on what's going on. So this weekend, have more going on than I really would prefer, but it's just how it is. I'm looking forward to slower weekends in the summer especially, but Celia our oldest has a Girl Scouts service project this weekend today for a few hours, so I'm gonna be going there with her. We're gonna be cleaning up a local business, which is a really good thing to do. It just takes up a lot of time. And so my husband will watch the girls, and we are going to my parents for supper tonight, and then we're gonna see my grandma and my aunt. I haven't seen my grandma in a year and a half because of the pandemic, so I'm really excited to see her. They're just gonna come for a little bit, and yeah, we're hoping to get a lot done and still have a lot of fun family time this weekend. So I'm gonna start by planning for the week. I've kind of already laid it out, but I'm gonna write out my daily pages. If you're interested in seeing my planner system using my beautiful duck egg Malden Filofax, make sure you check out the description. I'll have the link to the video. So Sandra and I sit down and plan the week. I just remembered, so this upcoming week, the next 2 weeks, I'm on jury duty, which I have postponed for the last year because of the pandemic and being pregnant and really sick. And then they rescheduled it for like a week after my baby was born. I'm like, well, that's not happening. I really am, quite honestly, I would love to serve on jury duty. I definitely think it's our civic duty, and I think it would be really interesting to see how the court system works. I've never gone to court. I've never been in a courtroom. With little kids and no daycare, it's a lot harder. So my mom and San are going to just be ready to watch the girls if need be. So I didn't get summoned Monday, but I still could be summoned any day the next 2 weeks. So I have everything planned, and you know, the family of the little boy I watch knows it's happening, so hopefully I can at least watch him the days he's coming, but we'll see. So everything's really up in the air right now. So our oldest daughter, for the last 26 days of school, they're having ABC days, which is super cute. So A was bring an animal, like a stuffed animal. B was wear blue. C is camo day. So I ordered her a camo shirt because we have like nothing with camo. But all 3 girls can wear it. It's cute. And then D is donut day. E is exercise day, so they're gonna wear comfy clothes. And then F is, I don't remember what F is, but G is wear glitter, green, or gold. So I'm just gonna pick out a few outfits for her for those 3 days so we don't forget, and get them just hung up and just put them in her little sorter. Normally our girls have been just picking out their outfits themselves, and I really don't care, so we haven't been using these as much, but we go through phases where we do pick out their clothes and phases where we don't. So for the exercise day, she's got this like exercise top with these really cute leggings, and then for glitter, green, or gold, I think this would be easier with girls, but I couldn't find anything with like glitter on it, so I got this green shirt with a gold bow and then just some jeggings. So I came down to get dressed. This is the status of our dresser right now. I spent a lot of money on Amazon. A lot of it's gonna get returned, but I really want some clothes I feel good in for the summer. I'm trying to embrace my postpartum body. Remember that I'm nursing. I don't lose a lot of weight when I'm nursing, and try to dress for the body I have, not the body I wish I had, if that makes sense. And so I ordered a whole bunch of shorts and tank tops to find a few that look good, because no matter what you do, like, none of the stores will allow you to try on clothes, at least most of the ones I shop at. So I'm like, I'll just order stuff on Amazon. Pretty affordable. And so this is my pile of stuff that I liked. And then I have like over half of it that I'm returning that I didn't like, didn't fit well. Because the nice thing is you can bring all this to Kohl's and they'll pack it up and ship it for you, which I love if your Kohl's has the Amazon return. So that's what I'm doing for summer clothes. I did buy a few things at Target just to try on, but I just feel like there's so many comfy options of just like comfy shorts that look decent, that aren't too short, that look good with most tops. And then I got like some pretty like florals and things like that, 'cause I love floral tops. So, and the nice thing is I wear a lot of my tank tops in the winter too, in the fall and the spring, just the cardigan. So I wear a lot of those year round, but I wanted shorts that I felt good in. So just a little tip for you guys. They do have the Amazon wardrobe where certain clothes you can just get sent to you for free, and then you just return whatever you don't like and just pay for what you do. But all the things I wanted weren't qualifying items for that, so I spent like $500, but over half, well over half is going back. So price you gotta pay to feel good in your body for the summer. This is one of my new shirts. I just love how flowy it is. I don't really like myself in collars this high. I like slightly a v-neck. So we have to pack a lunch for the little Girl Scouts thing. So I just made myself a turkey, cheese, mayo, and pickles cut sandwich. I like baby dill pickles cut in my sandwiches. Some cut up baby cucumbers and some ranch. And these wisps, they're just like the ranch kind. They're really, really good. Peanut butter and jelly for Celia, strawberries, also some cucumbers and ranch. I gave her some yogurt, and then she likes granola on her yogurt, so I just put that in a bag here. And that'll be our lunch, and I threw in a banana for me too in case I'm really hungry. Just got back from our Girl Scouts thing. We had a lot of fun. We cleaned up our local Legion and cleaned up outside, picked up all the cigarettes and things that were everywhere as part of like giving back to the community and taking care of the environment. Then the girls colored pictures of their own bug, and they got to pick a super skill for it. We talked about plants, we planted some seeds and did a little fairy garden. They have to take care of this. Talked about recycling, and we're gonna try to grow our own avocado tree. And then we got a badge, which is pretty cool. We got done a little earlier than I thought we would be. It's about 1 o'clock now. We also, Celia found like a yellow jacket nest or whatever, so I'm gonna show Bryony that because she'll think it's really cool. So I don't have really anything planned. I'm just gonna probably help tidy up, and I don't really know till we leave because the girls just went down for their nap, so have a little bit of time. You guys, how cute is this? Oh my gosh, I was wanting more peg dolls for our girls that kind of looked like people, but on Etsy, I would have paid for them because they're handmade and they're beautiful. But I found this bus for like the same price as just the peg dolls on Etsy, and it comes with all these peg dolls plus the little driver, and it can lift off, so you can put people down here too. And it's just so cute. I can't wait to see our girls play with it. We have a different wooden bus. It's a school bus, but this is so adorable. I will link it below if you're interested. Another Amazon delivery just arrived. Guess what I bought this for, guys? Well, I bought this particular one for multiple reasons, but originally I was looking for some kind of cart for our library books because we get so many at a time. Case in point, that was our trip to the library yesterday. We get like 35 books at a time. And they are really heavy, and especially when I have 3 kids in tow, which I only had 2 in tow yesterday, but it's really heavy and bad on my back, and I often forget to bring like a reusable bag. So I'm gonna leave this in the van. It can fold down really small, but it also is just a dolly for transporting heavy things, like not a super heavy duty one, but still great for all other kinds of things. And this would also be great for like, I don't know, all other kinds of places where you might need like a whole bunch of stuff. You can just wheel it out. I just love it. I will link to it below if you're interested. We had a couple different kids drop off Mayday baskets, so cute. And since I had too much going on, I didn't even think about doing them. So Celia made her own version for her friend that lives nearby, and they actually just invited her over to play. So she's over there, and we dropped off some DoDaddy cookies. Love making people's day like that. It's just, we had some extra, so really sweet. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. We had a nice time with my parents last night. Just low-key hang out, have supper, head home, put the girls down. We watched 1.5 episodes of The Handmaid's Tale last night. The new season just came out. Well, the new season is really good so far. Always really good and interesting, and I don't know, very, very interesting show. My grandma and aunt are coming over around 10-ish, hopefully today. It's almost 7 now. And just got up, got ready, cleaned the upstairs bathroom, sang, clean the downstairs bathroom, and I will do a quick vacuum. But other than that, I don't know, I got 3 little kids. I hope nobody expects my house to be completely spotless, and I don't know. So I'm gonna do that, and then the girls got their dance pictures back this week, so I'm just gonna write their name and age and the year on them to give out when they come. It's not supposed to rain till later today, so I'm hoping we can all hang out outside so the girls can play, and you know, we can hang out outside when they get here. I'm trying to think of other things we need to do today. Need to edit a video. We are gonna go see Sam's parents tonight. It's just like a jam-packed weekend. Grandma and Grandpa.
We're going there?
Mm-hmm.
Right now?
No, tonight. Great Grandma Eileen is coming over today, this morning. I'm not used to like so much stuff in one weekend, but when my aunt called on Friday and was like, can we come see you? I was like, of course, like I can't say no to that. So yeah, I don't know. I got this new shirt. This is one of my tank tops I got on Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's got this like really pretty like lace detail around the edging, around the sleeves, and I just really like the colors with my hair and everything. So I don't know, I can take the sweater off if I get too hot, but I think it's only gonna be up to 60 today, so we'll see. So for our weekly bulk breakfast this week, I'm making these Kodiak protein pack muffin mix muffins, just to try. I'm either gonna freeze them or we'll just have them as like dessert throughout the week. But these have a lot of extra protein, which is nice, and so I'm just gonna make these up. Santa's giving the big girls a bath since we're not gonna have time tonight. So while I'm making these, he's gonna give them a bath, and hopefully they'll be done around the same time as I'm done with this. Grandma and aunt just left. It was really nice to see everybody. We're just trying to get a quick lunch in everybody, including the baby, before nap time. They always get a little squirrely when it's time for somebody to leave. But it's so nice to see my grandma hold the baby. She hasn't met the baby yet, and she's already 8 months. It's just
What are you doing?
sad when you have a baby in the middle of a pandemic. They don't get to meet a lot of people. So we just laid the little ones down. We're in Celia's room now, Celia and I. And she's going to listen to Miss Piggle Wiggle on her Echo while she plays for a little bit. Sam fell asleep, laying Bryony down. It's really cute. Well, they're sleeping. I'm gonna edit a video that I need to get ready for tomorrow. So I just got all my returns ready to bring to Kohl's soon, probably tomorrow. I had 5 different ones. I had to get them all sorted, and then these go back to Target. Well, that was an adventure. It hailed so bad while we were at Sam's parents' house. We had no idea it was supposed to hail. We knew it might rain, but nowhere in the forecast did we see hail. So that was interesting to say the least. Luckily, it didn't hail on our way home. We tried to go like as soon as it let up, we booked it out of there. So thankfully we got home without any hail. And Stan's just finishing laying Bryony down. I laid Gwenny and Celia down, and I'm just gonna quick empty the dishwasher that we ran while we were gone, put the dishes in the sink in the dishwasher, and get our coffee pot set for tomorrow. And then we're gonna wind down and have a low-key rest of the day because we're tired. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and as always, thank you so much, and I hope you subscribe and become part of our Gluestick family. And I'll be back soon with another hopefully motivating, educational, inspiring video. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.